Satyarth, I have a couple of questions. My first question is, how was the session today?
Session, I think it has been a phenomenal one, and I really feel that this is the platform that most of the students who are coming into ACCA, who are even they're just inquisitive about ACCA, they are looking for this sort of guidance, and it's very rare to find so many industry experts and Pankaj sir himself, everyone on the stage. It's such a panel, so it really adds a lot of value to their life. So I think it went phenomenally.
Great. So as you're already a ACCA, member, so how you want to motivate the students who are looking forward for the same direction, like wanted to become an ACCA in upcoming days.
I'll just tell them that for ACCA, just be like I told them that be consistent. Consistency is the only thing that's going to pay off in the longer run. And
अब कॉमर्स में आगे तो कैश फ्लो हमारे पता होगा, एक होगी कैश फ्लो और एक होगी वैल्यू.
Secondly, when you're comparing courses, I see a lot of students comparing because obviously they're confused.
Yes.
मैं ये भी कर लूँ, वो भी कर लूँ. I should do this or that. But जब भी आप कंपेयर कर रहे हो आप एक बात को हमेशा ध्यान में रखो, आपके पास एक ही करेंसी है जो लिमिटेड है, that is your time. तो उस बाकी सब इस दुनिया में अनलिमिटेड है, आपका टाइम सिर्फ लिमिटेड है. जो वही एंड टाइम मनी इज अनलिमिटेड, बट आपका टाइम तो 50-60 साल ही मिल रहे हैं सबको जीने के लिए इफेक्टिवली ओनली 50-60 years. So take the decision which gives you best in the least amount of time. So that's one thing. Secondly, for ACCA, I think one thing is keep your mind open. Just learn whatever comes your way. Follow your trainer. Follow whatever he's saying. And for exams, just without 3 mocks, don't even appear for the exam. Do 3 mocks and then go into the exam when you're appearing. Yeah.
Make 100% sure yourself.
Yes, 3 mocks are mandatory. Minimum 3 mocks.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.